Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. First of all guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I'm so grateful and I appreciate you lots and lots. And today's video is a very special video for you all guys. Hope you will like it and hope you will enjoy it. So let's get started. Soup. Today I'm gonna make tom yum soup. Thai tom yum soup. So put 5 cups of water in the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of tom yum paste. 1 tablespoon of tom yum paste. You can get it at Asian store. And let it boil. Just mix the paste inside. And let it boil. So once the water boils, add your vegetables. Tomato, 1 tomato. Half of a carrot. French beans. Broccoli. And I'm adding tofu today. Add some salt. Mix it and let it cook, let it boil until your vegetables are cooked. It will be about like 15 minutes, 15 to 17 minutes. So it's about 15 minutes already. Let's check it. Is the vegetables are cooked or not? I think the vegetables are cooked. Nice, isn't it? So lastly, when your vegetables are cooked, you know they're cooked. So lastly, I'm gonna add egg. This is 2 eggs. So keep on stirring and add the egg. So let the egg cook inside. There we go. So this is like egg tom yum soup. Just keep on stirring it for about 1 minute. There we go. Now cover it for 2 more minutes and the soup is done. So guys, the soup is ready. It smells good, it looks good, it tastes good. Here you go. It's so nice and yummy. It's one of my favorite soup. It's very nice. So let's go move on to the next one. Next I'm gonna make my next dish is fried rice, chicken fried rice. Actually I'm gonna call it Nasi Goreng. Nasi Goreng and fried rice are the same, but Nasi Goreng is in Malaysian because I'm gonna use the Nasi Goreng paste. So this is like same like you can find it at Asian store or you can get it from Malaysia. Yeah. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna put the rice to boil. 1.5 cups of rice. Add 3 cups of water. Add some salt, little bit salt, and let it boil until the rice is cooked. So now put some oil, little bit, not too much. Okay. Add the onions and let them fry until the golden color. Now add the chicken. This is about 600 grams of chicken. Low flame. Add some salt. Mix. Cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. Let's check it. Yeah, it's good. Now add your vegetables. Different kind of vegetables. I got bok choy, tomato, green peas, carrots, celery, and carrots and capsicum. So add all. And it's all cut off small pieces. Even chicken cut the same size. So mix it. Okay, and then add the paste, this Nasi Goreng paste. Okay, mix it. Mix it and cover it for 10 more minutes. So that the vegetables can cook. 10 more minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's check it. So I see guys here, I think the vegetables cooked already, but still got water. So just make it high and leave it open for 1 or 2 minutes. Let the water dry, and then we can add our boiled rice. So it's dry already. Add the boiled rice. Mix it well. There you go. And just cover it for 2 more minutes, and our nasi goreng is ready. So nasi goreng also is ready. There we go. Very delicious. And lastly, let's make some dessert. So guys, dessert, I'm gonna make some fruit salad, simple and easy. Apple, pear, kiwi fruit, some grapes, and with fresh cream dressing. So let's get started. Clean the fruits first. So add it here. There we go. Add some fresh cream. Mix. And fruit salad is ready. And this is for you guys, 3-course meal. Egg tom yum soup, nasi goreng, and fruit salad. Thank you so much guys for your love and support. This is all for today, all for you guys. Enjoy it. If you like it, please put your thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.